Punta kami ng Raulacot. Kasama ko si Fahad at saka si Fatma. Si Lakay at saka si Langga. Sila kay bantay kay kay Langga. Ano ngayon? March 16 and today is Saturday. Time check is 2 PM. Punta kami ng Raulacot City. May bibilhin kami. Ayan si Fahad saka si Fatma sa likod. Birthday ko pala ngayon. It's my special day. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Aisha Tariq, Filipina wife in Kashmir, Pakistan. Dito na kami ngayon sa shop ng mga garments. So ito nagpaalam ako na mag-video, payag siya. So ito today is March 16 and today is Saturday and the time now check is 2:30 PM. Nandito na kami. Bibili kami ng damit ni Fatma for Eid at saka yung ito stoller pang dupatta na black. Dito na kami sa shop ng ready-made. Ready-made. This what is name?
Zahid Garments.
Huh?
Zahid Garments.
Zahid Garments. He's the owner and introduce yourself. What is your name?
Akib.
Akib.
Akib
Your
Zahid.
owner?
Akib.
Akib, your owner of this one? You say
Four
shop.
honor, four. One honor, no, one honor.
At sa ito yung mga niya, marami siyang items. What is your items, sir? Complete? All complete, na? Ayan, Ayan. Ayan, ito. Ayan. Bibili kami ng ng damit, pang-Eid ni Fatma. Tagalog. 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 From Philippines. I'm from Philippines. They are asking what I'm talking. So I tell I'm talking in Tagalog, my own language. Because I'm from Philippines, so I come here to buy dress for Eid. Ayan this is the new design, may mga
This is black bhi hai.
This is also dupatta.
This is also dupatta.
Dupatta, na?
Dupatta.
Three pieces.
Three pieces.
Dupatta.
Dupatta, kameez.
Shalwar.
Kameez.
Ayan.
And
how much also? Kitne?
6.
Kitne? Yes, 6,000.
6,000.
Wallah. Itni mega we. Wallah. I think only this. Ang mahal naman. बहुत महंगा
नहीं सस्ता
बहुत महंगा 6,000 बहुत है you are three brothers, your brothers
two brothers another short brother
your brother also this your three brothers here they have three brothers here and they have also another shop over there yan may mga shop doon sa labas. So ito yung nila.
आप अमेरिकन भेजना चाहती है ये गारमेंट्स की जगह वो
ये YouTube सब लोग देखने सब देखने तो items. Ayan. Your name क्या?
My name is Arsham.
Arsham.
My name is Achha.
And your name also?
Akib.
And your brother?
Shazib Zahid.
Oh, this one. What is your name, oh brother? What
Look
is?
Look at this.
Ayan, dito kami sa garments. What is name of this garment?
Zahid Garments.
Zahid Garments.
Complete
here. Completo. Raulacot. Raulacot City Bazaar. Ayan. Ayan. Marami siyang complete itong mga items niya. May kameez shalwar. Bumili ako ng for Fatma at saka dupatta. Ayan, kararating lang namin. Kakapagod maglakad. Kasi naglakad kami hanggang sa baba sa road. aakyat dito sa taas.